Hello and welcome to lesson 6-9. Today we're going to look at markups and discounts. Markups are something that you guys see on a regular basis and you don't realize that it's already there. So a markup is something that a store or a business will typically do so that they can make a profit. So what a markup means is that they take like their cost, so if it's like, let's say $100, and they want to make a profit, they have to charge more than $100 because $100 is what that costs for them to purchase that product. So they need to make a profit so that they can pay their employees and pay for their building and stuff like that. So in that sense, in order to make a profit, they have to do what we call a markup. The amount of money or the amount of increase is the actual portion that we call the markup. The percentage of increase is what we call the percent of markup. So let's take a look at a few examples and see how this is going to work. In example 1, it says a music store's percent of markup is 67%. A CD costs a store $10.15. We want to find the markup. So here, the store has to sell that CD for at least $10.50 to cover the cost of the CD. But in order for them to make a profit, they have to charge what we call a markup. And to find the markup, we're going to have to use the following equation. So the markup is found by taking the percentage of markup and multiplying it by the store's cost. So in this example, our percentage is 67%. But if you remember, when we write a percentage, we have to write it as a decimal. So 67% is really 0.67. So to find my markup, I'm going to take my 0.67 or 67% and multiply it by my cost of $10.15. And when I multiply these together, this is going to give me a total of $6.80. So this is what we call our markup. Now, in order to find out what the store sells their product for, we're going to have to take our markup and add that to our $10.15. This is what we call our selling price. So again, the store's cost plus the markup is called the selling price. So for this example here, we would take our $10.15 and add it to our $6.80, and our selling price would then be $16.95. So this right here is how much that store would sell that CD for in order to make a profit. Example 2 says a retail computer store pays $6 for a computer mouse, and the percent markup is 75%. We want to find the selling point. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to find our markup. And I'm going to put MU for markup. So our markup is where we take our percentage, and remember we have to convert our percentages to a decimal. So I have 0.75, and we're going to multiply that by the price that the store paid, which was $6. And when I multiply this out, this is going to give me a markup of $4.50. Now we want to find the selling point. So I'm going to put the selling point, or the selling price, is equal to our markup, which is $4.50, plus the original $6 that the store paid. And this is going to give us a selling price of $10.50. Now, just like with markups, stores will sometimes run a sale, okay? And when they do a sale, they're generally giving people a discount. So when an item goes on sale, the amount of price decrease is what we call the discount. And the percent of decrease is called the percent of discount. So this would be if you go and you see a sale and something is 20% off, our percent of discount is that 20%. And we can find the sale price of that object by using the following equation. Sale price is equal to the regular price minus our discount. So let's take a quick look at another example. So So for example 3, it says athletic shoes that regularly sell for $85.99 are on sale for 20% off. We want to find the discount. Now discount can be found similar to a markup. We're going to take that percentage of discount and multiply it by the regular price. So in this case, I have a 20% discount, and if you remember, a 20% discount is really 0.2. So my discount is equal to 0.2 times my selling price of $85.99. And when I multiply these together, this is going to give me a discount of $17.20. So now, in order to find out how much you actually paid for the shoes, you're going to take that $85.99 and we're going to subtract our discount of $17.20, and then this will be how much you actually pay. So if we subtract $17.20 from $85.99, we get $68.79. So for an $85.99 pair of shoes that is marked 20% off, you are only going to pay $68.79 of that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day.